Facing difficulty to understand Python concepts. Here are some difficult Python concepts where students get confused. Data types, loops, functions, file operation, and the classes. Let's understand these concepts briefly. Python programming language comes with a large set of data structure which contains a different type of variables. Some of them are number, string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, boolean. Loops are the conditional statement that is executed as long as the conditional statement returns true. Function is a group of statements in a program that can perform a specific task. Using function reduces the error in code, and also it helps in reducing the size of code, as instead of writing the same code again and again in program. Python provides many default functions and methods to do the necessary task in the files. To use them we can use file operation. The last one is classes. Class help to describe the object in sense of its description, blueprint, or definition, but it separates the object itself. I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe. If you in need of more help with Python concepts, you can visit our website. Thanks for watching.